Today received Max's High 2 generation, then give you a simple unboxing video, because in the High 1 generation, I've done a more detailed review. It's not particularly big changes, so that we today to simply open the box to see how it's 2 generations. A very weighty waterproof box, the back of the product labeling, high gray handle, cross-section blade. When you open the box, you can see a knife wipe, a knife card, Max's card, and a pack of accessories, plus the high body. This high already wants me to touch it. I scratched it out myself. The knife still looks great when I take it out. The biomimetic bone pattern is so beautiful. The surface is inlaid with 8 titanium patches. It's also shiny. It has a spring-loaded lock. It opens when pinched. I have a big concave membrane. This blade is really beautiful. I don't need to tell you how well it's made. The degree of workmanship, It's really a very beautiful knife. The rear blade has a bearing structure. It has a high degree of finish. You can see the fine grain. The 8 pieces of code patches on the top of the cake. It's already worth the weight in gold. Can be said to be a very cost-effective EDC toys. This is a spring-loaded clasp. It's also very comfortable to press. It comes out with a gentle pinch.